What to do with a drippy faucet. Alright, so this is a Moen faucet. I don't know what model it is, but I only saw one cartridge at the local Canadian Tire there. I know it's Moen because it says Moen underneath it. So step one, shut off your water. Next thing you gotta do is pull the plug, because if you drop something, you don't want it going down the drain. Next, you gotta remove this little hot-cold indicator. It's not like it's rocket science to know which way is hot and which way is cold, but they use this little thing to cover up the Allen key or hex screw or whatever. So this is 7/64. You gotta pull it all the way out. And this just comes off. Now, next thing is a Phillips screw on the top here. And this thing comes off. You can see it's pretty crusty with calcium buildup on it. This thing is 10 years old. I think I got my mileage out of it. So now this gray thing, there it goes. This comes off. Screwed on there. It's like a collar or something. And this is where that thing hangs on to, so it can slide left or right when you're doing hot or cold, but it pulls up and down by hinging on that. I've got this little decorative ring thing, and now there's a little like brass clip thing in here. Now the replacement is provided, but I'm just going to use this one. No reason not to. Now this should just come out. There. Now, what you're left with is this cartridge thing. And it's all one giant piece. So, that's the bit we need to pull out. It uses this extractor. So you figure out how this is oriented. Like this way. It should just sort of slot in. There's a ring on this thing, like it's a stainless ring of some sort. Let's just get that to come off. There we go. Yeah. Now let's get this extractor tool in. There. Hey, let's just turn this thing left and right to loosen it up. This thing should just come out. Come on, turkey. Oh, I might need pliers to get a grip on that. There she comes. So you got to watch that the holes are facing left and right when you insert the new one in its place. Let's get that extractor. This will help get this thing back in. There it goes. Now this thing needs to be in just the right angle so that this brass fella can fit back in. There we go. So now we put this piece back. Put back this brass clip. There it goes. Let's get that guy on again. Good, fits in nice. There's a little ring that comes as part of this plastic collar, which is a weird wobbly shape. It's actually a spring, so you can get some tension. This decorative ring holds in nicely. Now we hinge this bit back on and then line up this plastic part here with the screw hole. Turn the water back on, and let's see if she works.